want abs, just work out your legs. That's what I believe. Because when you work out your legs, what happens is you will release more natural testosterone, natural growth hormone. So in the overall, you increase your muscle size, not only your legs, you not get only your abs leaner, but the rest of your body will get better. So it makes all the sense working out your legs, not only your top, not only your upper body. Why do you work out your upper body 2-3 times a week and your legs just once? So I believe that you should work your legs at least 1 to 2 times a week if you want to get a leaner body, if you want to increase your muscle, your size, your strength, and get leaner. So that's why I believe the abs are really related to the legs. Working out your legs, it makes such a difference in my body. So it really transformed my body. So that's why I train my legs more than any other part of my body. So today we train legs and abs. The warm-up, we start with the bicycle. So 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes maximum for a warm-up. So deliver some fluid to your joints, helps your knees and your joints get ready for the workout and exercise. Afterwards, we went straight away for lunges, dynamic lunges. So stretch your muscles of quadriceps, so get your legs ready for the workout. Afterwards, a warm-up on the leg extension. I tend always to start with a high rep and low weight, pump more blood. So what I want is to stretch the fascia. So want to feel a pump through all the session. So that's why we start always with high reps. After the leg extension, we went for leg curl. So 20, 30, 40 reps. So keep your muscle pump. And after that one, went straight away for squats. So 50 reps, 40 reps increasing weight, 30 reps, 20 reps, and 10 reps. That one is a bit unstable. So for your abs, for your lower back, for your knees, for your joints, it's always better if you use a wide stance. So wide, legs apart. 50 reps. So I start with 50 reps, 15 kilos, and you increase 2.5 kilos every set. So 50 reps, 40 reps, 30 reps, 20. For you guys, may be different, so just need to see what type of weight suits to you. 10 reps, I did 9. For him, for 10. It's 160 kilos. And after the squat, straight away for the leg press. Leg press to stick to 3 sets, 10 reps. So maximum I did was 350. So 350 kilos, 10 reps, 3 sets, 1 minute and 30, rest in between. After the leg press, we went for the hack squat. So I did 170 kilos, hack squat. Still 10 reps, 3 sets, 1.5 minutes rest. So because we want to hit more the hamstrings and glutes as well, we will use a closed stance. 3 sets, 10 reps, between 1 and 1.5 minutes rest. Last one after the hack squat, went for a drop set leg extension. We start with 10 reps. Decreasing weight, 10, 10, 10, at the end 20 reps to failure. Dropping the weight, increasing the reps at the end, so to the failure. After that one, we went for laying leg curls, same method. Ten reps, 10 reps, 10 reps, last one 20 reps to final. Always decreasing weight. I tend to do 2 times a week legs. So this one is one type of workout. The next one, I hit more the calves and I hit the muscles in a different way. Use different machines. This is just an example of one session that I do. So I tend to work my legs 2 times a week at least, always. And my upper body, I go for 3-4 times a week. Drop set for the hamstrings. 10 reps, 10, last one 20. To the feather. When you work your legs in the overall, what happens is you need to use your abs. So you need to be stable. So that's why, once again, as I told you, it makes all the sense. If you want better abs, you need to work your legs. You're working your abs in an isometric way. So you need always to squeeze and to be really focused. So that's why you're working all the time, you're working your abs when you're doing your legs. So all of your body will get better and leaner by training legs.